Hey lab enthusiasts! Ever wondered what makes your fume hood so effective at protecting you from harmful fumes? It's all about the Baffle system. The Baffle system is the unsung hero inside your fume hood. It's designed to control airflow, ensuring harmful vapors are efficiently drawn away from your work area. Baffles create a smooth, even airflow pattern. This prevents turbulence and dead zones where hazardous fumes could accumulate. During a Tricolor test performed by GD Waldner, with the use of lasers, you can see the baffles in action. They guide the airflow, swiftly removing contaminants and keeping the work environment safe. Adjustable baffles allow customization based on your specific needs, enhancing efficiency and safety for different types of experiments. Remember, a well-maintained baffle system is crucial for your fume hood's performance. Trust GD Waldner to provide the best in lab safety and technology. Stay safe, stay efficient with GD Waldner.